Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel Investor Hustle. Today we are here again with a very interesting topic. It's related to the capital market and its functionality. Simple, the role of capital market in economy. So this is your host Nitin, this is your friend Nitin, and every day we are coming with a new video. Every day we are coming with a new topic related to finance, money and market. So let's start with our topic today. First, we'll have an overview of capital market, what we are going to understand today. So what is capital market and need of the capital market in the economy, then the structure of the capital market, and then what is primary and secondary market in a little more elaborative way, then the economic function of the capital market, then the economic function of the capital market. So coming to the so first let us understand that what is capital market and why do we need it. What is capital market? It provides the resources needed by the medium and large scale industries or even the government. It could be a state or it could be a central government. They all need fund, like the government need fund for expanding its infrastructure, for growth, and the industries they need this capital for the fixed capital purposes, for plant and machinery, for setting up more business houses, for setting up their infrastructure, for setting up their for expansion purposes. So they need this capital, and even though they need the working capital also, which is met out by the money market. So they all need this just to meet their credit requirement. And primarily the capital market, it deals in the long-term funds, and it functions as an institutional mechanism to channel long-term funds from those who save to those who need them for productive purposes. Simple. Basically क्या होता है कि you have that money, you have surplus money, and then you channelize it, then that market, not you, that market channelizes that money, need capital market into those companies, into those government it could be a government bond, it could be a. So next we'll understand the structure of capital market. Basically there are two components, or we can say दो parts होते हैं capital market के. One is the primary market and the secondary market. Primary market, it creates long-term instruments. Simple to borrow from the capital market, like we issue the equity shares, we issue the debenture, and it's moreover in the form of the shares and debentures only. And secondary market, what it does, it provides liquidity and marketability to instrument raised by the primary market. It simply function, it simply enables the trading of these capital, the trading of these funds which are raised by the primary markets, which are now converted into the instruments. Now these are in the form of shares, stocks or debentures. So what is primary market? So इसको थोड़ा सा और elaborate कर लेते हैं कि primary market क्या होता है. Primary market basically जो corporates होते हैं, they need to raise capital by mode of equity shares and debentures. देन बड़े सारे फैक्टर्स इनको कंसिडर करने पड़ते हैं कि इसका मेथड क्या रहेगा, इस कैपिटल को इशू करने का क्वांटम ऑफ इशू क्या रहेगा, देन व्हाट आर द कॉस्ट दैट आर एसोसिएटेड विद दिस इशू, देन टाइप ऑफ इशू क्या रहेगा. मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ इशू आर देयर विच आर लाइक पब्लिक इशू, राइट्स इशू, बोनस इशू, प्राइवेट प्लेसमेंट एंड द बॉट आउट डील्स. सो सेकेंडरी मार्केट पे आते हैं कि सेकेंडरी मार्केट आपका क्या होता है. सेकेंडरी मार्केट बेसिकली आपका स्टॉक मार्केट भी बोलते हैं हम इसको, एंड इट प्रोवाइड मैकेनिज्म विच मैचेस द बायर. बायर कौन होते हैं आपके, कि हु वांट्स टू ओन शेयर्स ऑफ स्टॉक, एंड सेलर वो है जो ऑलरेडी जिनके पास वो शेयर्स है, जो उनको प्राइमरी मार्केट में जो इशू कराए गए हैं, जो प्राइमरी मार्केट के थ्रू रेज की गई है कैपिटल, दे हैव दोज शेयर्स. एंड हाउ डज इट फंक्शन, सेकेंडरी मार्केट कैसे फंक्शन करता है. ये जो आउटस्टैंडिंग सिक्योरिटीज़ होती है, आप इनको ट्रेड करते हैं, विच आर इशूड बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट और द सेमी गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज और इवन द corporate entities. So what happened that there is an open auction market जो मतलब एक कॉमनली वी नो कि आप स्टॉक मार्केट में आप पैसा लगा रहे हैं, आप स्टॉक्स में पैसा लगा रहे हैं, सो दैट्स द ओपन मार्केट जहाँ पे बायर एंड सेलर दे मीट एंड दे इवॉल्व टू गेट ए कॉम्पिटिटिव प्राइस. इसका ट्रेड जो यूजुअली होता है दैट इज थ्रू द स्टॉक एक्सचेंजेस ओनली. एंड स्टॉक एक्सचेंजेस भी अगेन दे वर्क इन द ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर्म. इन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर्म वी हैव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर्म में ये लोग काम करते हैं. ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर्म में these stock exchanges work. It could be a public limited company, for example Delhi Stock Exchange. It could be a company limited by guarantee, for example the Madras Stock Exchange, and it could be a voluntary non-profit making association as well, which for example we have the Bombay Stock Exchange. Then we need to understand ki how does the economy functions because of this capital market. It simply help to grow business by provide capital resources. किसी भी आप बिजनेस एंटिटी की अगर बात करेंगे, इफ दे आर रेजिंग देयर कैपिटल, हाउ डज इट हेल्प? दे नीड मनी, दे नीड फंड्स. उनको एक्सपेंशन पर्पस के लिए पैसा चाहिए, उनको अपने फिक्स्ड एसेट के लिए पैसा चाहिए. सो दे रेज मनी with this form. Then they provide investment opportunities to investors. This capital market, आप as an investor, if you have that surplus money, आप भी अपना पैसा, you can put your money into that stock, you can put your money, you can have those shares, you can have those debentures, you can get them issued, you can invest your money in the government bonds. So that is how it provide investment opportunities. Then how does it help again? That stock prices जो आपके रहते हैं, they simply provide, they are the signals, they are the important benchmarks that where the most productive opportunities are. You can always compare कि आपको किस स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करना है. एंड ये जो सिग्नल्स जो होते हैं, दे चैनल कैपिटल टू द एरियाज. विच एरियाज? जहाँ पे आपको लगता है, जहाँ पे इन्वेस्टर को लगता है कि दे आर मोर प्रोडक्टिव, they will get them more benefits, they will get them more dividends, more interest or more income. So this capital market, they provide a very important risk management tool also, by letting investors diversify their investment and transfer risk from those which are less able to tolerate risk to those who can better tolerate the risk. So this was our topic for today, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, because every day we are coming with a new video related to these topics. And for any topic you want to know, any topic you want us to make a video on the next topic, please comment us below. And a very thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.